When the Kashi Vishwanath temple was being destroyed on orders of Aurangzeb, the priest picked up the ling and took it to his hut, which was nearby, and he kept it in the hut and went on worshipping it quietly. According to some accounts, Mughal troops which were stationed nearby knew about it and ignored it, or they were paid bribes and they ignored it. So the ling was kept in the house of this Brahmin priest, and when Ahilya Bai built the temple, she did not disturb the location of that ling, and that is why that ling of Vishwanath is not at the center of the shrine but is at a distance from the center, because that was the place where the Brahmin priest who rescued that ling from Aurangzeb's troops located it.